Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their iPhone not charging or charging slow on iOS 16 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Check the charging port. If your device is not charging at all, you should check the charging port for any dirt or debris. Your device will have trouble charging if something gets accumulated in the port. Once found, clean it with some tools or compressed air. Solution 3. Inspect your lighting cable and USB adapter. You should also consider inspecting the lighting cable and USB adapter for any possible damage. These accessories get worn out, crack or bent over time and should be replaced, but be sure to get the MFI certified charger adapter and cables, as they are specifically made for iOS devices and are 100% authentic. Solution 4. Try wireless charger. Since iOS 16 devices can also be charged wirelessly, this is an easy way to determine if the not charging or charging slow on iOS 16 issues lies in a faulty accessories. If it works, consider it a temporary solution while you deal with the damaged cable adapter or get a new one. Solution 5. Update the latest version. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, install and download it. Solution 6. Avoid draining battery completely. If your iOS device is charging at a slower rate, try your best not to drain the battery completely. Try a few fixes to resolve the issue. If the battery gets completely drained and the problem is not in the accessory but your device's change are, it will not wake after dying out. If it's still not charging and none of the fixes seem to work, seek professional help immediately. Solution 7. Maintain your device temperature. Battery issues and high temperature are interrelated, meaning a raise in temperatures will damage your device battery and a damaged battery will raise your device temperature. So to prevent this, place your iPhone or iPad in a cool environment while putting it on charger. If it still heats up, try putting it on an even cooler surface to bring the temperature down. Solution 8. Contact Apple support. If you believe that your battery is completely damaged or that the issue lies in the software and you don't know how to fix it, it's best to take your problems to a nearby Apple store. The professionals will look at your device and do all they can to resolve the matter. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.